We have been watching the trial, the latest trial against former Governor John Rowland. Well, now is the beginning of the end of that trial. Closing arguments will happen today in federal court in New Haven. News 8's Kent Pierce is live this morning with more on what we have seen happen and what we can expect in the closings. Good morning, Kent.
Good morning, Chris. And it all comes down to this. Did former Governor John Rowland do political campaign work for Lisa Wilson Foley's congressional campaign, but get paid through Mr. Foley's side business running nursing homes? That is the question that a jury here at New Haven Federal Court is going to have to answer, perhaps as early as this afternoon. Yesterday, Rowland's defense team rested their case after calling just one witness, and it was not the former governor himself, and said it was a vice president for Brian Foley's nursing home company. He testified that Rowland actually did real work for the company and that his contract was not a sham designed to cover up his political consulting work. But both Foleys testified against the former governor, and so did another congressional candidate who says Rowland came to him with a similar scheme. By getting paid under the table, Rowland would have not shown up as a consultant in campaign finance records and could have kept his job as a radio talk show host. This morning, the two sides will give their closing arguments. Each one gets an hour and a half for that. That means Judge Janet Bond Arterton could be giving her jury instructions either just before or just after lunchtime today. We will see what happens this time around. Rowland was already sentenced to 1 year in federal prison years ago. We're live outside New Haven Federal Court. I'm Kent Pierce.